Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to access Tools folder by tapping on it and select Recorder app. Now tap on this red button to start recording. Firstly, you need to select Allow for the app to work properly. And as you can see, recording is now on. You can stop it, pause it or unpause it by tapping on this red button over here. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the flag icon, and if you want to end it, save it, click on the checkmark one. Now you can name your recording however you wish to and delete it right away or save it by tapping on OK. Now tap on this right button over here with 3 lines to access list of all your recordings. Select Allow, and if you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Click on delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!